it's Nicole Dion. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review. I have been asked to do more reviews. This isn't a drugstore review. This is actually a internet company, cosmetic company, which happens to be local to me. I had no idea until I got my package. Spooky Cosmetics is a local to me makeup company that sells loose pigment cosmetics. I purchased one of their Halloween treat specials and I got 4 loose pigments, awesome colors for $10. It came in a really cute trick-or-treat bag with a couple of little goodies in there. They gave me Sour Patch Kids and some little fishies. Of course, I gave those to my kids. So let's get started. These are all great colors. I can definitely wear it with this shocking pink hair. Let's play with these and see what the pigment's like. I'm usually more of a pressed powder type of eyeshadow girl. I have used some loose powders. I do have some myself, but typically when I pick out eyeshadow, it either is in a palette or it's pressed. I don't really get into the loose so much just because they can tend to be a little bit messy. Look at that blue. Isn't it gorgeous? The amethyst, the jade, that cranberry. I think we're gonna play with the cranberry and jade today. Aren't they gorgeous? Spooky Cosmetics is actually a local cosmetic company. I did not realize that. I got my package the other day and it said Edmond, Oklahoma. So I had no idea that I was buying a local product. So for those of you who are my clients, you can get this product right here in Oklahoma. All right, I'm gonna use my deluxe brush. And definitely when you're using pigments, make sure you dust it off because this could end up everywhere. Or tap it in to your brush. It's a really pretty pigment, you guys. Wow. It's a little bit sheer. Very iridescent. I'm liking it. Color on my lid is in Jade. Now I'm gonna take my blending brush and this really gorgeous cranberry. We have to be really careful because it's loose pigment. I'm gonna dust that into this fluffy brush and tap any excess. Place this color in the crease and on that outside. I'm gonna do that backwards check mark, create a lift. Oh, that is a yummy color. Look at that. Definitely highly pigmented. These little jars pack a lot of punch. I'm just gonna break into one of my palettes, palette 4. I'm gonna use Tender. We're gonna use that for my brow bone color. And I'm using my blending brush because I do wanna blend that edge. I feel like I need a little bit more. I'm gonna put it in the lid and we'll swirl it around. I'd say the only downside is it's pretty messy. And there's probably a secret to that, and when I figure it out, I will let you know. gonna take that cranberry color, putting a little bit of that underneath on both sides. And lately with my lashes, I have not been putting on eyeliner. I kind of like that lash line open. I think it gives me more room on my lid to play with. I could tightline if I wanted to, but with the mascara and my magnetic eyelashes, I feel like it looks complete. All right, you guys, that is my review on the Spooky Cosmetics. I think the colors are fabulous. Of course, you know that I am not a huge fan of loose pigment. I have not played around on their site, so I'm not sure if they have any other type of shadow or cosmetics other than the loose pigments, but I think they are fabulous. 4 for $10, that was a pretty great price. I think they will last a long time. I feel like the pigment is decent. You can see it, it's showing up. The color selection that they sent me, I absolutely love. And these are products that I could see myself using. They're also a local, to me, cosmetic company. I did not know that until I got my goodies in the mail. So that's kind of another plus, is, you know, shopping local, of course. And yeah, so that is my review on Spooky Cosmetics. I will link their website below in the description. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me today. If you have not already, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.